Hello beautiful people, you are welcome back to this channel once again. Today I want to show you one secret to grow your hair. This is the great secret to grow your hair. It's very good and it's so simple and cheap. You are going to see your hair growing faster, speedily. What do you need is lentils. Lentils has a lot of omega, a lot of calcium, potassium. So you just add it to the bowl. After adding it to the bowl, you can add any quantity you want. Okay, you add water to it and leave it for like 30 minutes. After leaving it for like 30 minutes, you come back again and just use your hand to mash it together. After mashing it together, what you will do is just to remove the liquid. Guys, this is very good. It will grow your hair speedily. It has vitamin A, and it has a lot of calcium, potassium, and it's going to grow your hair. It's going to thicken your hair. It's very, 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 very good and effective. So what you need to do is just to use this liquid. You can use it right away. So I'm not using it now. I keep it in the fridge. So after the next day, I bring it out, and when I bring it out, the bubble comes up, no problem. I just turn it together. If you don't want any smell, you use it direct. If you with the smell, is not bad, but it's going to be more effective. So after that, I just take it this way and add my honey. This is honey, undiluted honey. This is original honey. The next thing I'm going to be adding to it is omega-3, which is the fish oil. Is very, very good for your hair. It stimulates your hair and help your hair to strong. It's a secret to grow your hair. I just bust them with my razor blade. Some fall inside of it. I just bust it inside and I shake it this way. This is the orange omega-3. It's very, very good. So I put it in my spray bottle. I start spraying it on my hair. You can decide to just turn it on your hair, go to the bedroom and be turning it on your hair. So I just spray it all over the hair. You spray it and massage it, cover it for 30 minutes and go and wash it out. You will see your hair growing. You will see your hair growing. Your hair will never stop growing. It's going to grow massively. You are going to be shocked the way your hair will grow. I'm telling you, this will grow your hair. Try it out and you will see. Subscribe to this channel, like and press the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you will be the first to know. Let's grow this channel together. Just try it and just come and give me the results. Bye.